EverWebinar trial, EverWebinar 60-day trial. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step live in today's video how you can actually get a 60-day trial for only $1 of EverWebinar, right now, like instantly, guys. So with that being said, let's begin today's tutorial. So as you can see right here, we are on the main page right here for EverWebinar. So if you go to everwebinar.com, this is their main page where you can get EverWebinar right now for $497 and save $100, which again is an amazing deal, especially because webinar software this cheap is insane. But in today's video, I want to be showing you how you can get a 60-day trial for only $1 right off the bat. So if you actually click the top link down below in the video description of my video, you'll actually be taken to this special page right here where you can get a 60-day trial of EverWebinar for only $1. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? So basically, you're going to be saving 100 plus from 2 months where you're only paying it like $1 to basically get this amazing tool for free, essentially for 60 days, which is insane. So all you have to do to actually activate your 60-day trial for only $1 to actually get EverWebinar Jam essentially for free for 2 months is to simply click the top link down below in the video description and you'll come to this page right here. And again, you can basically come to this page to get the 60-day, trial of EverWebinar. So if we click on start my $1 trial, you'll be taken to this page right here where you can basically, confirm your information, choose a plan and basically, enjoy your 60-day trial for only $1. And then obviously after that, you'll be, billed annually. You can, either be billed, 3 times a year, with free easy payments monthly, if that's what you want to do after your 60-day trial. Or you can, basically choose a 2-year plan. And obviously, the more you pay, in advance after your 60-day trial, the more you save. So it's going to be up to you. So if you're really looking to use, EverWebinar in the long term, so you can create a successful business for yourself, then I'd probably recommend paying more in advance to save you some money up front. But that's going to be up to you. And obviously for now, you get a trial of the software for 60 days. So you don't actually have to really pay anything apart from $1, which is basically nothing, really a no-brainer offer at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much how you get a 60-day trial of EverWebinar. And yeah, guys, so thanks for watching today's EverWebinar trial video and EverWebinar 60-day trial video.